Welcome to Ben and Marshall's first ever howling contest. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, hi, excuse me, what is a howling contest? Like, what is that? Well, I'm gonna tell you. It's when me, Ben, and my dog, Marshall, it's when we have a competition deciding which one of us can howl better. Yes, and here's how we play that game. I howl, and then he howls, and then I howl again, and then he howls again, and then it just keeps going on like that, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until one of us gives up. And that, my friends, will ultimately decide which one of us is the superior howler. And of course, it would not be a proper competition without a grand prize. And that grand prize is none other than a tasty milk bone. And not just any milk bone, friends. It's one of those fancy toothbrushing milk bones. You got your bristles right here. You've got your curve, your extra curve for that extra toothbrushing leverage. And yes, I'm going to, it's something me and Marshall both enjoy vastly, those milk bones. I'm really going to howl my heart out because I really want that milk bone. And I'm sure Marshall will do the same because he likes those milk bones almost as much as I do. Anyway, without further ado, I will get the ball rolling. I will get this howling contest underway. Okay. Are you ready, buddy? Did I win already? Hello? Oh, there we go. He clearly brought his A game. Okay, I'm done playing around. I'm going to finish him off. Ready? Okay, you win. Oh, God. He can just go all day. Here. Here you go. You just take it. Oh, you've earned it. You've earned it. Look at him. Oh, he's so proud. He's he doesn't even want me to look at him. Oh, yeah. Yes. So that is the howling competition. That is the depressing end to that. And, when you think about it, I kind of have a genetic disadvantage. His ancestors have had hundreds of thousands of years of howling experience, and my ancestors did not, so that is like not fair at all. But I'll give him this one. Look at him. Look how happy he is. Look how much he's enjoying that, and look how much he's cleaning those teeth. Do you like that? Do you like that very much? Do you like? Oh yes you do. Yes you do. Oh yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for next year's Howling contest, when I will kick Marshall's batushka, and yeah, I'm gonna practice my howling all year long, and yeah, 2016 will reign a new howling champion. But anyway, this year it's Marshall's year. He is the howling champion of 2015. Proud champion. Anyway, do you have anything to say to your fans, buddy? Anything at all? A quick hello or an I love you? Nothing? Okay. He's spoken. Well, not really, but he's too proud, you know. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. I love you all.